In the current trading landscape, there are numerous self-proclaimed trading gurus who deceive traders by presenting fake profits. Unfortunately, many traders end up losing their hard-earned capital by following these scams and their costly advice. To combat this problem, we at Quantpower have introduced Verified P&L, a unique feature that displays 100% accurate P&L of a trader, as the data is sourced directly from the broker's backend. This feature will not only help traders identify genuine performers, but also safeguard their capital from fraudsters. To share your verified P&L on our platform, you need to have a trading account with one of our partnered brokers like Wisdom Capital, etc. After linking your account, you can link your Twitter handle with your Quantpower account to share your verified P&L. It's important to note that a single broker account can only be linked to one Quantpower account, and one Twitter account can only be linked to one Quantpower account, preventing fraudulent activities like buying in one account and selling in another. To access the verified P&L feature on Quantpower, you'll need to log into your account using your broker details. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Positions tab, where you'll find the option Verified P&L by Quantpower. To share your verified P&L on social media platforms like Twitter, after linking your Twitter account, you can share your verified P&L. You can also copy the link and share it on other social media platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. This feature is a valuable tool for traders looking to showcase their skills and gain credibility within the trading community. If you wish to view the verified P&L of a trader, click on the link shared by them or their tweet, which will redirect you to the Quantpower website, where you can view their verified P&L. In conclusion, Verified P&L by Quantpower is a game-changer in the trading world, and we are proud to offer this feature to our users. This will help traders make informed decisions by following only genuine performers and protecting their hard-earned capital from scams. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.